and welcome to another tutorial from Sunlake Interactive, your trusted partner for website design and digital marketing. In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to add a user to your Google Business profile. Adding a user to your Google Business profile allows you to securely share access to your business listing without sharing your personal login details. It's a quick and simple way to let Sunlake Interactive manage your profile, ensuring your business information stays up to date and optimized for local SEO. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and log into your Google Business profile. Head over to business.google.com and sign in using the email address associated with your profile. Once logged in, you'll see your business listing on the screen. Select the business you'd like to manage if you have more than one. Now, on the left-hand side, you'll see your business logo and Your Business on Google. To the right of that is a menu icon indicated by 3 dots. Click on the 3 dots to open your Settings menu. From Settings, select Business Profile Settings, and then select People and Access. This is where you can manage access to your profile. Next, look for the blue plus icon in the top left corner and click on it. A box will pop up asking you to enter the email address of the new user. Enter our email address and then select the role you'd like to assign to us. For full management capabilities, we recommend choosing Manager from the role options. This allows us to help you manage your profile and enter tickets on your behalf. Once you've entered our email and selected the role, click Invite. Google will send us an invitation and we'll accept it on our end. That's it. You've successfully added Sunlake Interactive to your Google Business profile. We're here to ensure your online presence is strong and effective, and managing your Google Business profile is a big part of that. If you need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Thanks for choosing Sunlake Interactive to help grow your business.